Hi class. This week of this class, we are gonna ask you to read a book of chapter exercise 1, 2, 3. All right, those three chapter they are not a long chapter, and they cover really basic of how about write a command in Python and how to starting a little display on Python screens and introduce some mathematical operator for you to do the calculations. So it's nothing difficult, but this video we're kind of wanting to show you how to start it, download the softwares, what kind of environment you can use to start it up easy. Okay, so this is our homepage so far for the these chapters. This week we have assignment 1, which assignment we're gonna ask you to write a simple program based on the exercise 3's example, but you need to create your own number, your own sentence and something. And at the end, you need to submit the .py, which is the Python file I'm going to show you at the end of these videos. So starting where to download the environment compiler for you to use. If you hop onto the one of the browser, type in the python.org, it's going to take you to this page. Okay, this is the main page. If you want to learn Python, they have the documents. People talk about different training, different type. They even have a job offer based on Python you learned and stuff like that. Okay, for you to download, you can just go to the download, click the download, and then in the download here, you can see that for Windows, for Mac OS, just depends on which platform you use. Okay, and from here, some students ask me which one should I download, 3.6 like the book or 3.8 the latest. For me, it doesn't matter. My computer is a school computer. You know, they had so far I have it's 3.5. But I mean Python 3 they are improving slowly, little bit and by little bit different new versions, but they all works anyway. So you can just go to download. You can download latest. That's okay. Okay, once you click download, you're gonna start downloading for you, and once you finish download, you can double click on it, and you're gonna ask you to start the exe file. Just run it, and they're gonna ask you can install it and stop. But since this is a school computer, they block out the installation for us. So later you're gonna see it's failed in this computer. But let me just cancel it. Okay, I don't need to. It will fail because I don't have the administrative right to install it. So, but once you open it up, let me double check again. Let me run it. If you go to customize installation, you know, you see that one thing called IDLE, which if you do the standard one, you're gonna include it already. So just click on install now, which the IDLE will be installed, which you're gonna use for this class. All right, once you install, just follow the steps and install the whole thing. Okay, once you install it and you go to your old program, you're gonna see a folder called Python. Okay, mine here is Python 3.5. Like I said, it was installed from our IT departments. I can't change that yet. But so once you click on it, you're gonna see something here, Python. IDLE, just click on it. Click on it, open up these. This is edited windows. Okay, some of you open up might be different. You will open up something like this. Let me open both up. This one is the shell. The Python is actually display information and interact with you directly, or you can use this to do the coding. It's a little bit easier to writing in this edited windows. You can write all the code here and execute it at once. All right. If you open up your IDLE the first time, you only show your shell. Don't worry. You can just go to option, configuring, and inside here you can change your font size, font style, and everything. But important, go to general. Here at the start up, which one do you want to open? You can open the edited window. You can open the shell. I always like to open an edited window so I can start writing code. And when I run it, it will bring me back to the shell. Anyway, you can select the edited windows and apply and OK. So now I close this Now, if I'm here at the editing window, I can start writing something. Print a message. Welcome to CITP 3305. Something like that. I finish the sentence. So what I'm gonna do here, I can run it now. So if I go to run, just run this module. Okay. Once I want to run, they're gonna ask me, do you need to save it first before you run? Okay. They want to ask me for the name. You can try any of the names. Okay. So just press save. It's gonna replace it. Yeah. So now you see, when I run it, it actually comes back to the shell. Okay, and it display here. That's and they show you where is your coding direction at, and what's the display. Use editor here. It's easier. You can type multiple lines of codes, everything. In here, you can work on the shell as well. If I do print, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I can print there as well. You know, every line I call, it will execute it right away. Okay, you will see the result there. But the beauty for this is, like I say, you can write multiple lines before you execute it and stuff. So print I am something like that. Okay, so once you finish the same thing, you run it, you save it. Here you go. All the 3 lines will be executed at the same times. All right, so this is editor window. It's easier for you to write your assignment and everything. You can write all the lines here, and they save the .py files for you to submit it later. Okay, that's a basic setup for your class for you this week. How to submit your assignments. All right. If I scroll, I can close this, bring it back my browsers. I go to my website here. If you scroll down, once you finish your assignment 1, you click on the assignment 1 link here, and then things, for example, I write a code earlier, right? And now I go browse my computer. I gotta look for the file to submit. Go to my documents. The Python, where was it? Interesting. Okay, let me see. Is that under my program file? User. My user. Your home computer is easier because you know where is it. So in this, we have a little bit different ones. My document? No, I don't think it's under my documents. Let's see, where did I save my files? It's under the program file, right? Let me see. Good question. I'm not sure where did it go. My document, program file. Do you see program file? No, not here. Okay, it's easy. Let me just bring it back up here. I mean, like I said, you can always recent files. Oh, it's in the app data. No wonder. Let me open this up. This is what I type, right? What I can do, I can save somewhere. Save as, if I pick something called desktop here, all right. Desktop here, chapter 1.py. I have a lot of folder in there. So create a new folder. Okay, the folder called Python Spring 2020. Okay, so now I'm gonna save my code inside these folders, and then now, okay, I have the code saved in there now. So browse my computer. I know it's under the desktop, and the folder name is Python. Here we go. Okay. Where is my folder? Python. Python Spring 2020. This is the code. You see, it's the chapter 1.py. Python is always the .py files. So this is the file you create, need to be submitted. So you click open. You see that the .py file is attached to this submissions. Once you finish, you can just click submit, and that's it. That will be how you submit your assignment for this week. If you have any question, email me. Thank you.